Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Tribe beauty box for December/January 2021. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the December/January box in a bag just arrived. Tribe Beauty does send me this for review, so thank you so much, Tribe Beauty, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is now the December/January. Tribe Beauty is an every other bi-monthly subscription, so there's only 6 of them per year. Let's go ahead and get into this bag. That is what it looks like right there. And it says Discover Community Empowerment on the back. And when you open it up, dun, 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 there's some goodies inside. You do get a card. It says December 2020 Dreamland. And it goes over all of the products with the pricing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. They have it kind of down in this bubbler with some other things hanging out. So let me finish pulling everything out. Okay, so the first item that I am seeing is right here, and it is Iman. It looks like the brand. Let me see. This says, yes, IMAN Cosmetics. Perfect pencil in Nutbush. Nutbush is the color. This is valued at $10, and it says line and define your eyes with this brown liner and achieve a softer look different from the typical black eyeliner. Creamy enough for smooth, easy application without streaking and smearing. And it looks like it is a brownish color. It looks really cool. It has like a built-in pencil sharpener on it. Let's get this opened. Okay, so now that I have it out of the actual packaging, and it does, there's the little sharpener that's built into the lid, which I do appreciate that. And here is the actual color swatched. Ooh, that is very creamy. There is the brown color right there. Look at the end. Oh. Hey, it has a pencil sharpener on there, so you can go ahead and sharpen that baby right back up. I do think that's so cool that it does have a built-in sharpener, and I like that it's brown and it's not the typical black that we always get, so I do appreciate that. So there's the first item valued at $10. So then now we have is an Avant product, and I really like these products. They're super expensive. This right here is the Avant Skincare Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream 50 ml. You ready for the price on this one? $134 for this little guy right here. I've had a little tiny eye serum from this brand that was valued at about that or just under. I know it was over 100. So this is a very expensive product. So I'm so glad to see these in subscription boxes because I really enjoy these products and they work really well. They should for that price. This is Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream is an age radiance cream that aims to illuminate your skin. This moisturizer is designed to intensify the illumination of your skin. And that is the packaging right there. And I'm sure there's a safety seal on it. Yes, there is. So I'm so glad that this is in this box again, because $134 for this little guy, there's no way I would pay that. So I love that they put it in this box, you guys. So here is the second item at $134. Whew. Okay, so next we have something from The Balm. It says Down Boy, Down Boy, Shadow Blush. Okay, so there's that. And this says this is valued at $21. This sweet pink shadow and blush features light reflecting particles for an aura of elegance without detectable shimmer. Formulated with a finely grated powder, Down Boy helps create a smooth and even texture as quick as a wink. So that is the color right there. And again, this is from The Balm. Down Boy would be the color. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, so creamy. And let's put that guy right here. So there is the pink blush swatched. It does have a nice little shine to it, like on my hand, it looks like. No? That is a really pretty color. And again, there is that. And it's a big full size blush. And there is a little mirror on there as well. So, down boy. That is really cool. So there's a blush. And again, that one is valued at $21. So now we have, it says Brenda Dylan Kelly. So this says it's Sola Look Brenda Love Dylan lipstick, liquid lipstick valued at $14. It says Beverly Hills 90210. Oh, that's bringing back some memories. Okay, Brenda Loves Dylan. Okay, now I'm totally getting it. I'm like, what? So this is Beverly Hills 90210. Ooh, that's pretty packaging though. So it kind of has like this black ombre and it goes to a little color at the very end. And let's see what color this is. Oh, that is a red, like a red. So there is that color right there. It doesn't have a fragrance. I like when they smell really good, but this one doesn't. It's kind of like a thin package. So this again is valued at $14. 90210 inspired, lightweight vegan liquid matte lipstick, smudge proof, non-tacky and long wear. This shade is a deep true red with full coverage. And yeah, it looks like a deep true red. So then the next item is going to be the eyeshadow palette, you guys. And from the back of this looks very, very colorful. I would think there'd be more of like a summery palette, but here we go. So that's what the outside looks like. It says Poppy Cosmetics Neon Drip Palette valued at $29. I guess Poppy, P-O-P-P-I. Hi, Poppy. I don't know. So let's go ahead and see what the actual palette looks like. Again, it's called Neon Drip. So the packaging is really cute with all the little drip marks going down that are like shiny. And oh yeah, definitely a very bright color. Again, this to me is screaming more like summer or spring, but they're getting you ready now for it, I guess. So that is the palette. Very, very bright, you guys. You have some purples, some pinks, some neon greens in there. Very, very bright and colorful for sure. And that is everything we received, you guys. So we have this bright neon colored palette. We have a blush by The Balm. You have a bright red liquid lipstick. You have a brown eyeliner and you have an Avant product. The only thing that I'm kind of thinking now is they're gonna give a big old bright palette and then a red liquid lip. Normally they give you everything to do like a full face. So I'm kind of thrown off on how this color and this palette kind of go together. But you have a bright red and then a bright neon palette. So that is everything that came in this December/January bi-monthly beauty box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in here? Again, I'm still kind of thrown off by a neon palette and then a bright red lipstick when normally it's supposed to kind of like all go together to give you a full face or something like that. But there we go. So if you want to know a little bit more about Tribe Beauty Box, I will have everything linked down below. They did give me a code SheCrafty, which gets you 10% off by following the link down below. You will receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. Get 5 full-size beauty products with a worth of over $100 for only $34.99 plus shipping. Tribe Beauty is a 100% female-owned company, and they generally give us products that are from independent to up-and-coming to trendy brands. Their beauty experts carefully select each item based on a staple product needed in each beauty kit, as well as current trends. So again, everything will be linked down below if you would like to check them out. It's every other month, so only 6 of them per year, which I do like. So then you're not getting an overabundance of makeup products. You're getting 6 of them a year. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the items in this month. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.